The challenges of owning an electric vehicle, high repair costs, and limited support. As the Biden administration aims for half of all new automobiles sold to be electric by 2030, the future of electric vehicles, EVs, seems promising. However, first-time EV buyers are often taken aback by the high repair bills they receive after minor accidents. In the next few minutes, we will explore the challenges faced by EV owners, including the lack of charging infrastructure and professionals trained in EV maintenance and repair. While the cost of keeping a traditional car may be higher overall, the current state of EV ownership presents some significant hurdles. Repair costs, a shocking reality for EV owners. When a man named Scott MacFiggen had his Rivian pickup truck rear-ended by his neighbor, he expected a repair bill of a few $1,000s. However, the final cost amounted to a staggering $22,000. Reports indicate that repairing electric vehicles is more expensive than gas-powered vehicles. Parts for EVs cost twice as much, and insurance rates are higher due to the higher maintenance expenses and fires associated with EVs. Limited charging infrastructure. For EV owners, access to chargers is crucial when traveling. However, the quantities required for a smooth transition to EVs do not currently exist. As the number of EVs on the road increases, the demand for charging stations will also rise. This poses a challenge for EV owners who rely on public charging infrastructure, especially in rural and small-town areas where charging stations are scarce. Shortage of professionals trained in EV maintenance and repair. As EV ownership becomes more widespread, the need for professionals who can maintain and repair these vehicles will also grow. However, the lack of training among volunteer fire departments in rural and small-town areas poses a significant safety concern. Lithium-ion batteries in EVs can pose a fire threat, and fire departments in these areas may lag behind their metropolitan counterparts in handling such incidents. It is expected that manufacturers will address these issues as customer demand increases, but for now, the lack of trained professionals remains a challenge. Impact on rental car companies. Even rental car companies like Hertz Global Holdings are feeling the impact of high EV repair costs. The company's fleet, primarily consisting of Tesla vehicles, has contributed to squeezed third-quarter earnings. The high cost of servicing electric models has become a significant factor affecting the profitability of rental car companies. Higher insurance rates for EV owners. According to the insurance comparison site Insurify, electric car owners pay an average of $357 per month for insurance, compared to $248 for gasoline vehicles. This higher insurance rate is partly due to the increased maintenance expenses associated with EVs. As repair costs for EVs remain high, insurance companies adjust their rates accordingly. Looking ahead, while the challenges faced by EV owners are significant, it is expected that most of these issues will be resolved within the next 10 years. As the demand for EVs increases, manufacturers will likely address the shortage of charging infrastructure and trained professionals. Additionally, advancements in technology and economies of scale may help reduce repair costs for EVs, making them more accessible to a wider range of consumers. Until then, gasoline-powered automobiles continue to dominate the market. Conclusion: owning an electric vehicle comes with its fair share of challenges, including high repair costs, limited charging infrastructure, and a shortage of professionals trained in EV maintenance and repair. However, as the Biden administration pushes for a transition to electric vehicles, it is expected that these challenges will be addressed over time. Despite the current hurdles, the future of EV ownership looks promising, with advancements in technology and increased support from manufacturers and governments.
As always, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel, All Things Money, to see more content like this.